Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to another useful presentation from Easy Walk to English Grammar. Today also we'll be dealing with the uses of as in English. But video by video, you can feel that you are improving in building up standard English sentences. Today, you can see that in the picture, two houses uh, in rain. And please imagine the first house that you see here is situated in a different geographical area than the other. Means both the houses are located in different geographical areas. And you can see that in both the geographical areas, it's raining. Now you have to imagine two persons in each of these house each of these houses are engaged in a telephone conversation. In between their friendly talk, one of the persons can ask, "How is the weather going there? How is the weather today?" The other person can answer like this using as. Here it's raining, same as in your place. Here it's raining, same as in your place. Same as. You understood the meaning. Same as, telling something identical. And we used same as, the phrase same as, for that purpose. While using same as in your sentence, you can feel a bit of formal creation, a formality in your sentence. Thus, with the help of as, you can make your sentence a bit standardized. What did we understand from the previous example? We understood we can use same as to talk about identical things, similar things, that thing about things or persons that have resemblance. For that purpose, we can use same as in English. And while we use same as we discussed a bit earlier, the sentences become a bit more standardized. We can look into some more examples to know about the use of same as. Your brother's character is same as yours. Is same as yours. So while using or by using same as, we can bring in the sense to the sentence that there is a resemblance, there is a similarity in the characters of your brother and yourself. The next sentence, the next example is Mina's dress is same as that of Rena's. Mina's dress is same as that of Rena's. There is similarity between the dresses of Mina and Rina. And by using same as, we could bring in that sense into the sentence. Ooty's climate is same as that of Europe's. The sentence, if we look into the sense of the sentence deeper, we can feel that the sentence is a bit exaggerated. We cannot or we can never say that Ooty's climate is exactly like that of Europe's. But for the sake of learning the use of same as, Just we used the sentence here. Ooty's climate is same as that of Europe's. Similarity of the climatic condition in different places. Once again, if you look deeper into these sentences, you can see that the first sentence is slightly different from the other two sentences because of the use of that of in the second and third sentences. What happens when we use that of in the sentence? And what happens when we avoid the use of that of in any sentence? That difference you need to understand. When we use that of in such a sentence where we use same as you can see in the second and third sentences, you're actually making the sentence extremely formal. Extremely formal, and keep that word in your mind, extremely. Once I told in one of our previous videos, being or extremity is not always good. And if you use these kinds of construction when you speak to your friends or relatives in an informal situation, if you use that of in that sentence, they may feel awkward. In a relaxed mode, you can use the first sentence or sentences similar to the first sentence. Your brother's character is same as yours. While in writing some official details or official files or something like that, definitely you can use the second and third sentences, extremely formal sentences. Please avoid such usages, as I told you a bit earlier, in relaxed, in the comfortable zones where you are with your friends and relatives. Now we can go for a variation of same as, and that is the same as. That means we are going for the use of the same as in sentences. We are looking into how can we make use of the phrase the same as to make our English sentences formal. In the first sentence, Mia is the same clever little girl as her mother. The same, and we wrote as a little far away from the phrase the same. Mia is the same clever little girl as her mother. We split the phrase as the same and as, and we wrote them in different places. Mia is the same clever little girl as her mother. We can go for the next sentence. His ideals about war is the same as that of Hitler's, the same as that of. There we didn't split. In the second sentence, we didn't split the phrase, but we used all the words in the phrase together, the same as. His ideals about war is the same as that of Hitler's. One more sentence we can look into. We used the same interior decoration as illustrated in the magazine. We used the same interior decoration as illustrated in the magazine. In the third sentence also, we can see we split the phrase into two and we used the same in one place and as a little far away from the first section the same. So these are the different ways to use the same as. And what's the purpose of using the same? The, when we use the definite article the in the phrase, we here are particularly indicating something that we have mentioned earlier. Here in the first sentence, when we use the same as, Mia is the same clever little girl as her mother. The same. She is clever like her mother. Instead of that, to make our sentence a bit more standardized, we used the same clever little girl. And we used the same just before the adjective clever. And we used as in the next part of the sentence as her, where we needed, uh, where we indicated to whom or to which person's character, or to which person's cleverness is Mia's cleverness similar to. Mia is the same clever little girl as her mother. In the second sentence, his ideas about war is the same as that of Hitler's. There also we are indicating a particular thing. Hitler's ideas, the same as that of Hitler's. We are indicating something specific with the help of the same as. Hitler's ideals, the same as that of. We used the same as in the third sentence, like we used the same interior decoration as illustrated in the magazine. The same interior decoration, we are indicating something specific there. We used the same interior decoration as illustrated in the magazine. The same as is almost similar to same as that we dealt with a little before, but it here there is a slight difference in the sense that we can bring in to the sentences when we use the same as instead of same as. When we use the same as, we are indicating something particular, something specific, than when we use same as. Hope you understood. If you cannot understand this point in one sitting, please repeat to watch the video. You will understand the difference between same as and the same as. Dear friends, that's all for this time. And if you have benefited from the video, please don't forget to give the video a like and share the video with all your friends and relatives who are interested in improving their English language. And please use the comment box to comment your valuable suggestions of how to improve the channel, or what sort of videos would you like to watch in the future. And you also please comment your doubts. I'll definitely be answering. You can definitely expect useful videos from Easy Walk to English Grammar in the future. For that, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And while subscribing, please don't forget to tap on the small bell icon and select option all. Then you can receive the notification of my future videos. We'll meet soon with another useful video. Until then, take care. Bye for now.